Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little and tap on security and location. As you can see in the device security section, on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so on the third position, sorry, we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the fingerprint settings. Let's tap on the fingerprint right here. Right now we've got the info that we will be able to unlock our device with the fingerprint or authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So just tap on next. Here we have to add an additional screen lock method, and it is very of course, if you've got one currently set, then you will be just transferred to another step. If not, then you will have to do it right now. It is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without going through the hard reset operation, which will actually wipe out all the data. So it is very important, of course, also to remember the pattern, PIN or password, because those are options from which we can choose. I will pick the pattern, so just tap on the one you'd like to set, just tap on yes, and here we have to draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here we've got the notifications section, so here we can decide what kind of notifications we want to show. So we can show all notification content, hide sensitive content, or don't show notifications at all. It's up to you which option you'd like to set, just make sure that it is marked. So I will pick to hide sensitive content and tap on done. Right now we've got the info that we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. It's right here. So let me try at least to do it. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner, obviously for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see we just successfully added our fingerprint to this device. So if you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And here we've got the option for here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. Let's tap on it. Let's tap here, and as you can see, we can link a contact to call or link an application to open. We can link it with our fingerprint specifically. Okay, so let me get back. And here we can also tap on the fingerprint we just added. Let me tap on it and enter the pattern we just set. And here we've got the finger we just added. We can remove it from this level if you want to. Just tap on the stretch bin icon, or we can rename it, which is also a cool option if you've got plenty of your fingerprints added. You can add a fingerprint also here. So okay, so this is actually the whole customization of the fingerprint. So right now let's check if it is working. Let's lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, we will be able to unlock our device with the pattern we set. So if you won't use the fingerprint, you can also unlock it using the pattern. So actually that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.